Swimming in the ocean of settings for Sony's smartphone, I found that we can record in HDR and microphone with all around settings because it's default just for the RAW. I wonder why it's so hidden from the regular user. Anyway, this is how it looks like. This is how it sounds like. Nice. What do you need to get a beautiful HDR experience? Sun and shadows, which are coming by. A little bit of colors for you. A little bit of colors. What is strange that this smartphone has HDR in all of the lenses. Why is it strange? Because most of the smartphones has like one lens for HDR, maybe two. This one have it all. But the question is it just software? Or is it really hardware? There you go. A little bit of shadows for you. Look at that. Look at that. A little bit for the vlogging style. It's still wide angle. Let me switch to the main lens. This should be even better. More bokeh. And in the end, we do have a clock. The oldest design mankind have. Sun clock. Is it accurate? It's almost 2 o'clock. Almost. Not exactly, you see. It's not exactly 2 o'clock. It's a 1:45. Maybe less. Is it accurate? 20 minutes to 2 p.m. Yeah. How cool. Okay, don't. Calm down. How cool is that? I think there are cameras somewhere on this park, so I'm not touching this. I'm going away. All right. All right. And we also have a fountain. My English. Let me pause the video a little bit because someone is coming. And a little bit of fountain for you. Over rock. And that's all I have for HDR from Sony Xperia 1-6.